Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with over-the-range microwave, kitchen island, vanity with sink, overhead kitchen storage, automatic levelers, roof ladder, living room fireplace, in-floor ducted heat, bathroom cabinet with mirror, mirrored wardrobe doors, linen cabinet, freestanding table with chairs, bedroom dresser, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, ceiling fan, outside speakers, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, bathroom shower with a seat, flush mount gas range cover, stainless double kitchen sink, front bedroom, sofa bed, carbon monoxide detector, cable TV hookup, overhead storage, 3-burner range, pull-out spray faucet, pot and pan drawer, decorative kitchen backsplash, single slide, pleated shades, electric awning with LED lights, fire extinguisher, shower skylight, TV hookup in bedroom, living area television, outside shower, entertainment center, smoke detector, wardrobe with storage drawers, bathroom toilet, designer headboard, kitchen pantry, sleeps up to 4 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.